How to fix apps for Outlook do not load data in Outlook on Windows. 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Repair Office Outlook. 3. Open registry editor, then head to hkey_current_software /software/office/x.0/x.0/common/internet or hkey_current_software/Microsoft/office/x.0/common/internet set to use online content. 4. Uninstall and reinstall Office Suite. 5. Perform system restore, if you can.